Valiha and Kokoly, the unusual best friends. A little boy named Valiha lived in a sunny village called Sui, right next to the big Pangolins River on the warm, tropical coast of Madagascar. The air was wet and smelled like flowers and the nearby ocean. Valiha had many friends, but his very best friend was a ring-tailed lemur named Kokoly. They shared all their secrets and all their big laughs. Kokoly was not just any lemur. He was always close, like a shadow, and loved to play. Every morning, when Valiha got ready for school, Kokoly waited on the sunny straw roof. Salama, Kokoly, as Valiha greets his lemur each morning. As Valiha walked to the little schoolhouse, Kokoly followed. Sometimes Kokoly ran ahead, waving his big, striped tail. Other times, he rode on Valiha's shoulder like a fluffy, striped hat. When Valiha went inside, Kokoly knew he had to wait. He would find a sunny branch on a big tree and watch the door, ready for school to be over. The fun started when the school bell rang. Valiha would rush out and Kokoly would instantly jump down, running right into Valiha's open arms. Their afternoons were full of fun. They would run fast to the huge, old tree. They played hide and seek around its very big roots. Valiha would climb high and Kokoly would easily jump between the branches, making Valiha roar with laughter. They shared sweet mangoes and juicy lychees. They did not need many words, they were just happy to be together. Sometimes, their games got bigger. Valiha would invite his friends, and Kokoly would bring his lemur friends. Soon, lots of happy children ran and laughed. Several fast lemurs jumped and tumbled too. It was a big, noisy, happy party for all the friends under the warm sky. Valiha's big sister, Riansu, was often busy in the week. But the weekends were for the biggest adventures. Every Saturday, Riansu brought a big group of children together. Valiha and Kokoly joined them. They went down to the Pangolins River for a big play day. They played games like Catch the Coconut and told stories. Sometimes they even went for a quick paddle in a little wooden canoe. A lesson in true friendship. Valiha and Kokoly loved each other very much, and all their friends felt the joy they shared. This reminds us of what the Bible teaches about being a good friend. A friend loves at all times, Proverbs 17 verse 17. Just like Valiha and Kokoly, a true friendship means always being there, not just when it's easy, but always. A real friend is kind and sticks with you, no matter what. One day at school, Valiha's friend, Fi, tripped on a stone. He fell down and scraped his hand badly. Valiha ran right over to Fi. "Are you okay, Fi?" he asked in a gentle voice. Valiha stayed with him, helped clean his hand, and walked him halfway home. The next day, Fi thanked Valiha. "You are the only one who didn't laugh," Fi said. "You are a true friend." The moral: good friends do not just play when it is fun. They help when things are hard. If you see a friend who is sad or hurt, remember the Bible says, a friend loves at all times. What should you do? Stop playing, be kind, and help them feel better. Share your sunshine and give them comfort, just like Valiha did for Fi. This is how your friendships will grow strong, like the big tree.
If you'd like to watch more stories, go ahead and push that subscribe button. And don't forget to share with your friends.